I trust. If you say 21 years, that's what you've been doing. And it was that bad. I trust your judgment. Get all this out the way. Okay. Let's do this. Wow. Let's see how the washer works. Dirty down there. Legos. It's down there. All kind of junk down there. So the thing is busted. Gosh. Bad. Ah, that's how. Okay, I was feeling that thing.
Oh, the good thing you didn't touch it. You touched it right here.
No, I didn't touch it. I'm just saying I was feeling it.
It'll give you a good shock.
Oh, okay. Huh? You saw the moon? You see the washer? Yeah. You see it? I got paper back there and something. Oh, okay. So that thing is supposed to be off, or?
No, I'm gonna put a screw on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I mean, it does nothing. It's just a ground wire.
Oh, okay. Good deal. Simple fix. Wow, all the components. Interesting. Call everybody. I'm watching the washer get fixed. Can you see that?
Okay, let me get a screw for that wire.
Okay. Can you see it? What's that?
I said, I am really surprised that it didn't catch fire.
You didn't, yeah.
I mean, how bad it was. I mean, thank God. Right?
I know. I'm amazed. Not seen anything like this. Not that this is my job, but it looked pretty bad.
Yeah, it's the worst that I've ever seen. And I've been doing this 21 years now.
Really?
Yeah.
And so it's only been 2 years. It's not even been 2 years since I purchased this set. And this has been, wow.
You can see right there on the wall how bad it is.
How bad it, yeah.
It's just all backing into the machine.
So you said up on the roof.
Yeah. Oh, they're gonna have to clean it. It's gonna be some fun now because how bad it is. They're gonna have to clean it through the roof, and then have to run a tube all the way down, clean it. Oh, it's gonna
and come back in the house.
It's gonna be bad. It's not gonna be easy. What's on the side of this wall?
I'm not sure, and see, that's why I said I don't think they know where the thing is.
Well, it's gonna be on the roof, I'm sure. But instead of, I mean, they may not be able to clean it. That's what I'm worried about. What if they can't clean it? If they can't clean it, then they're gonna have to build another one going out that way. I don't know that they're gonna be able to clean it.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, it's gonna be stopped up really bad.
And so, when the rain comes, the rain forces it down.
That's right. It's a huge ball. I mean, you see right there.
Yeah, that ball in the trap that I clean out in the hose. Yeah.
Yeah. So I mean, that whole wall is gonna be like that. And
See, yeah, I've seen it because I saw when I had a couple of my houses built how they piped it. So I kind of have an idea how deep that thing runs. But
to be all stopped up with lint, when they start trying to put a brush in there, it's gonna push it all into a bigger ball.
a bigger ball. So it's really, can they vacuum it out?
They're gonna have to. I mean, vacuum and I mean, it's a day. I mean, I'm sure they're getting to it all day long.
Wow.
Yeah, they're gonna be here all day with that. Yeah, he's gonna.
And where it goes in there, it's just being like smashed closed. So whoever put the roof on or they
Smash.
it's pretty much closed right there. I'm gonna take a picture before I straighten it out. So.
Okay. Well, that would explain the problem.
Yeah, that's it.
Wow, it's been like that since it's been built. That's bad. Stay in the house. Okay. Go back.
The back.
Okay, go back in.
I want to play with it.
Go get it quickly. Wow, that is a lot of stuff.
When I put it.
It's blowing off the roof. Look at all of that. All that dryer lint. Very important that you keep this done once a year, because this right here was worse than an accident waiting to happen. By the grace of God, we were not succumbed by fire.